Want to update the breaking news we've been following this afternoon. Storms causing damage all over the Chicago area.
And that includes Bridgeview. That's where WGN's Eric Rung is live tonight. Hi, Eric.
Hi there, guys. Let me tell you something. They don't mess around here in Bridgeview. They've already got crews out here cutting up this tree and chopping it up. And this was a large tree that we are talking about earlier. The owner said it's at least 26 years old. It was here when she got here. But it really gives you an idea of just how strong the winds were that came through this area as it uprooted this tree and it just fell. Now, as I mentioned, I did talk to the owner here, and she said she didn't even hear it fall because the winds were going so loud. She was just happy that it didn't land on the house. Also talked to the crew that's cutting up this tree here. They said that they had about 4 trees that they have cut down since these winds came through this area, but this was the largest one. We're live in Bridgeview. I'm Eric Rung, WGN News.
Our thanks to Eric. A lot of damage going on right now, Tom.
Oh, absolutely. You know, you get over that 50-mile-per-hour wind gust threshold and down come the trees and the power lines and all kinds of trouble results. We had a beautiful sunny day, which gave the atmosphere time to heat up, and we've been importing tropical air because this, after all, is a weather system that began in the eastern tropical Pacific. Crossed Central America and Mexico, went into the Gulf, regained strength, went into Louisiana and tracked up here, and it's moving like one fast-moving weather system. Look at the cloud towers. You get under these things, and you get these squally rains, and of course these powerful wind gusts. And notice how, as you watch this thing, how new storms begin to tower into the atmosphere down in central Illinois. They become entrained within the circulation and continue tracking northward. So we're not done with this yet. There'll be some off and on squally showers and thunderstorms, and probably less thunder than there will be squalling rains with this. There's a little longer loop. Now here's the forecast at 8 o'clock tonight on the precipitation layout. There it is at 12 midnight. See the new ones developing down south? They come up toward the area. That's 2:30 right there. Then they move on by and scatter during the morning hours. But daytime heating takes place, and we start developing some additional scattered showers, and a cool front sweeps through tomorrow afternoon. That'll start the temperatures and the humidity sliding, but the rain will probably have some hours to run going into tomorrow night. It's the day after tomorrow. Things get really nice. It'll be cooler, less humid, and yet seasonable. We're still talking upper 70s. For tonight, though, more squally tropical downpours. Gusty winds, brief downpours there, and scattered showers and maybe a few thunderstorms tomorrow. We'll have southwest 13 to 28 mile per hour morning winds and gusty, and then they'll go around to the west-southwest, and that's as the cooler air wraps in after that. But look at the percentage of the sky covered with clouds. We'll get some mixed sunshine in there, and we should see somewhere between 0.6 of an inch and 1.4 inches of rain in many locations. 90% rain chances tonight, 45% coverage tomorrow, and 20% tomorrow night before we dry out and get into some nicer weather. There is a wind advisory, no surprise there, even without thunderstorms. This is a meteorological situation that produces strong wind gusts of 40 to 55 miles per hour tonight. Flood watches out to the west and northwest of us, and the heat advisories in Texas. They have had a dust storm and 70 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts coming out of Colorado into the Texas Panhandle and Oklahoma. At noon today, you couldn't see in front of you. They had traffic helicopters up there, and they couldn't see the city skyline. It was so dusty. 78 is the forecast high tomorrow, 77 Thursday. That puts us in normal territory, but then it cools off, and you see how much below normal we go this weekend. And there'll also be a wind off the lake, so it'll be cooler at the shoreline. There are lows tonight. With all this humidity, the readings stay up. They're not going to go down all that much. We'll spike in the low 80s around midday tomorrow, and look what happens between midday and 6 o'clock tomorrow. The temps begin to drop, and we'll be down in the 50s to near 60 and maybe low 60s tomorrow night, and back into the mid 70s and less humid during the day on Thursday. A complicated weather system. We've got the remnants of Cristobal and a non-tropical low that have all kind of gotten wound up into one complex, windy and expansive weather system. So that's why these winds have several days to run. And as we get on the backside of these systems, that's when the cooler air will come in. The cool air on the backside of the system produced sticking snow in Colorado. Not bad for, the first week of June. There are the wind gusts tomorrow in the morning. There they are in the afternoon and evening, and even going into Thursday. We still have 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts blowing. So a couple of more days of wind. Tonight, very windy. There's a wind advisory through midnight. A few clusters of squally showers will race through the area, accompanied by 40 to 55-mile-per-hour wind gusts at times. Low down to 71 tonight, and the winds will come around to the southwest, 17 to 36 and gusty. During the day tomorrow, a sun-cloud mix. It'll be windy, humid to start with, but turning less humid in the afternoon, but that won't turn off the rains. There'll be 40 to 50% coverage showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm from time to time. Then tomorrow night, the showers will thin out. The clouds will scatter late. It'll be windy and much cooler and also less humid, low 60. And a gorgeous day on Thursday, mostly sunny, still windy, seasonable temps, but much less humid, high of 77. Nice day on Friday. Could be a little front that introduces a brief shower late Friday, more likely Friday night. And ahead of that, once that passes, we get into that cool weekend that we're talking about with 68-degree inland highs and readings only in the low 60s at the shoreline. So a little taste of autumn in the air this weekend, but not to worry. We'll be back up around 90 by later next week. So it's going to get warm again.
All right.
Sorry to see that damage. It's amazing what these winds can do.
Big